BE Power Equipment, proudly Canadian-owned and operated, brings you the 3200 PSI pressure washer, BE3265HA. Equipped with a commercial-grade Honda GX200 engine that's the best in its class, this engine can be used all day, every day. The square-bodied pump means that it's commercial-grade. Its crankshaft and forged brass design gives you 3200 PSI at 2.8 gallons per minute that will greatly increase how deep and how fast you can clean. Equipped with 4 spray nozzles to quickly change between an intense jet stream to a gentle rinse so that you can tackle any job. The quality components give the machine a long lifespan, and you can confidently use it at home and take it to work with you. If its raw power isn't enough, the soap system will give you an extra boost. Simply fill the onboard container with soap, click in the black nozzle, spray it down with soap, then watch the grime get peeled off. All mounted on a durable, powder-coated steel frame with large flat-free wheels that handle rough terrain. When you're done working, the frame holds all the accessories to make storage simple and easy. BE Power Equipment, the power you need.